Hello there, I'm Yvonne de Celis, and I'm coming to you today on YDCtv. It is Friday. It is actually almost 4 p.m. It's July 26th, and I'm just here to do a quick energy healing video for you. I apologize that it's been so long since I've done one. I haven't really been feeling great this week. Feeling a little bit better today, so I just wanted to do a quick energy healing video for you. This is all about waking up, just coming to life and waking up. I have multiple sclerosis. One of my worst symptoms has always been and still is horrible fatigue. My fatigue might just be as bad as it is because I have multiple sclerosis and I also have fibromyalgia. So might be a double fatigue wallop, who knows, but this is something I always have a very hard time with. One thing I do take as a prescription that I get from my doctor, and please keep in mind I'm not a doctor, I'm a patient, but this is one of the only things that I've ever taken that have worked for me, and for some reason I need the prescription version of this because when I get it over the counter it does not do anything to me like what the prescription one does. I take vitamin B12. I take 1,000 milligrams, but I cut the tablets in half, so I guess 50 milligrams of vitamin B12 every morning. That helps. It doesn't do a lot, but it helps wake me up. But these are things you can do that can hopefully wake you up a little bit. A few things. One is about pulling on the ears, and the next one is the three thumps. So I'm going to show you the ear thing first. Just you want to grab your ears down at the bottom. I'm just showing you on the side, but you just start pulling, tugging, and you just pull out all the way around. Just go out in the direction of the ear that you're going in, but you're going to start going up and pull. Pulling on the ears will help you. I believe these are electrolymphatic points. I'm not really sure why this works. I learned this from a video that I saw by Donna Eden's daughter, Tanya Dahlin, but she was the one who recommended pulling on your ears. So again, just start at the bottom and then just start tugging and just pinch and pull. Pinch and pull outward and upward. Just follow the direction your ears go in and just keep pinching and pulling. Do it with both. That will help. The next thing that will help are the three thumps, and the three thumps all do different things. This is one that I saw by Donna Eden. I also have a book by her. It's part of her 10-minute daily feel-good energy routine, but she said that the three thumps are very invigorating, and they are. So first off, this little black thing here is my microphone. I'm trying to avoid it, but I want to show you where the K27 points. I have to use my right hand to find them because I have numbness in my left hand, but I find them here. And the way you find your K27 points is by tracing your collarbone from the back over to the front in your chest where it almost meets. And then you just drop your fingers down and out a little bit. Look for two little soft spots or two little indents. Most people have two little soft spots or indents right underneath where the collarbone is. Those little two soft points you can thump, and again I apologize if that's making noise against the mic, and or vigorously massage. And when I say vigorously, I mean dig. It doesn't hurt, or it shouldn't hurt, I should say. If it hurts, lighten up on it, but it really shouldn't hurt, so you should be able to dig and or vigorously tap or thump those 2 points. And again, these are the K27 points, and what doing this does is it makes your meridians go forward. A lot of times your meridians can wind up going in the wrong direction, and doing the thumps on the K27 points can force the meridians to go in the right direction. So that's the first thump. The next one is your cheeks. This is actually on your stomach meridian, so you want to tap. I use my index finger and middle finger, and I thump. And I don't know if it's audible or not on this recording, but it should be a hard enough of a thump where if you were sleeping and someone did this to you, it would wake you up, and you'd probably wake up kind of angrily because you'd want to know why someone was thumping your cheekbones like this. But again, what this does is it gives you grounding. So you should hopefully feel a slight shift as you're doing this, but this should help wake you. So that is thump number 2. And then the next and last thump is the thymus thump, which is just at the center of your chest. I'm actually just thumping with my knuckles. You can thump with your knuckles, you can thump with your fingers, you can do the Tarzan tap. But the thymus thump is just invigorating. And those are the thumps. So anyway, again, just to recap, to help wake you up, pulling on the ears, so you're pinching and pulling on your earlobes. And again, I'm trying to just switch to one camera so you can see exactly what I'm doing, but you would be doing this on both ears at once. Pinch and pull. So again, you can start at the top if you want, but I recommend starting at the bottom and going up. So again, pinch and pull. So pinch and pull down, and then out. Just follow the direction your ears are in, and just pinch and pull all the way around your earlobes, all the way up to the top. Then follow that up with the 3 thumps. Start off on the K27 points. That way you can force your meridians to go in the right direction, or force the meridians to go forward. Next one is the cheeks, which is on your stomach meridian, and this will do a grounding. And then last, but certainly not least, the thymus thump. You can do it with one hand, you can do it with your fingers, or like I said, you can do the Tarzan tap. Whatever feels best. Those exercises should help you if you're feeling really just dragged out, tired, fatigued. Give those exercises a shot. I'm really hoping they will help you. As always, thank you so much for coming to watch my video. Namaste, peace and light. Please leave a comment down below. Also, if you'd like to know more, please subscribe to my channel. Basically what that means is that YouTube will send you videos when I make changes to my channel on occasion. If you want it to constantly send you updates, once you click the subscribe link down below, you'll see a little bell icon show up to the right of it. If you click on the bell icon, you will get constant notifications. I don't really recommend that, but if you want to do that, please do, because you can always turn that off. Again, thank you so much for your time. Peace and light. Take care, and I will be back in about a week with more energy healing exercise videos. Take care. Peace and light. Bye-bye.